Hello, my English friends, and welcome to LinguaWave. Listen, learn, and improve your English. Welcome to this episode of your daily English listening and speaking session. Today, we have a special activity. It's your imitation practice. A chance to use your voice, feel more comfortable, and build your English ability with me, piece by piece. Now, let's think about this. Just understanding English is not the full story. If you wish to talk more easily, you must practice speaking. However, starting can be challenging. Maybe you feel shy or think your words are not correct. That's where shadowing helps. Today, we will work on 20 useful sentences. You will hear me say them at a calm speed with clear pronunciation. After each one, there will be a quiet space. That is your moment to copy me. Just follow the words on your screen. Notice the important words in bold. They will help you. You may be asking, why shadowing and why this method? Good questions. Let's discuss. Shadowing is a very effective way to get better at speaking, listening, and saying words correctly all together. When you imitate, you don't only hear the language, you reproduce it. You catch the phrases and then repeat them like a reflection. It trains your mouth to make English sounds. It trains your brain to recognize common sentence structures. And gradually, you start to sound more relaxed, more sure, and more fluent. Now, shall we begin with your first group of sentences? Let's go. Here is what to do. Very simple. I will say a sentence. You listen. You repeat after me in the pause. You can stop the audio to try again. Follow the text. Look at the bold words. Sense the rhythm. Copy the sound. Speak with me. That's all. We will go slowly. Let's begin. I can learn English. I can learn English. It is good to practice. It is good to practice. My English is improving. My English is improving. I like to learn new words. I like to learn new words. I listen to English often. I listen to English often. I speak with confidence. I speak with confidence. I practice a little every day. I practice a little every day. I know I can do this. I know I can do this. My small steps will bring big results. My small steps will bring big results. Every challenge helps me grow. Every challenge helps me grow. Progress takes time, and that is okay. Progress takes time, and that is okay. I communicate my ideas, and that is enough. I communicate my ideas, and that is enough. My skills are getting stronger. Each try makes a difference. Each try makes a difference. Wonderful. You have finished 15 sentences. That is really impressive. Please feel good about your work. You are doing it, and that is how you move forward. You are doing very well. Ready for the last few? Let's complete your practice for today. I am very pleased for you. Truly, day one is going very well. Let's keep this positive feeling. Every week my understanding grows. Every week my understanding grows. I can have clear conversations. I can have clear conversations. I celebrate every bit of progress. I celebrate every bit of progress. This language is a friend, not a wall. This language is a friend, not a wall. I discover something with every lesson. I discover something with every lesson. And that is it. You have just finished 20 sentences in your imitation practice. Did you like it? I hope so, because you did something great for yourself today. Remember, it is not about 0 mistakes. It is about participating, trying, and using your voice with me, even for a short time. You have completed day 1 of your 7-day challenge. You should feel proud of that. Very well done. If you ever feel uncertain, return to this audio and practice again. It is here for you. Each time you repeat, you become a little better. Until our next meeting, keep practicing, stay positive, and remember, I believe in you. You are on the right path. See you next time on the Lingua Wave podcast.